Accidentally cleared your Chrome history? You can still get a copy of it. Here's the hidden method. On your Android, open Gmail. Tap your profile icon and click on Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. Scroll to down. Tap Download your data. Tap Deselect All. Then scroll to Chrome and check it. Scroll down, tap Next Step. You're exporting just your browsing data, not everything else. Choose destination, frequency, file type, and size. Tap Create Export. It can take hours or days. You'll get an email when it's ready. Then the email arrives. Tap Manage Google Takeout Request. Tap Download. Verify if prompted. The file will be downloaded. Click on Open. Next, select the opening app and extract the .zip file. After that, review the contents to verify them. Follow and subscribe for more tech tutorials.